What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm with Tage, and we're about to install another cold air intake into right here. 2008 Chevy COBALT 4-cylinder, right? Yeah. It's a special edition. He's very proud of it. And look what we. And it's gonna go right here, right around here. And yeah, let's get right into it. Yep. Alright guys, welcome. We're about to unbox it.
Record for me.
Let's go.
Alright, about to unbox that recording. So, it's got the charge pipe. Not too bad looking.
You want to see it? That's some aluminum right there.
Thanks, man.
Look at that. It's high quality metal. It even smells good, guys.
It smells good. Taste it real quick. Go ahead and just take a quick look. We got
Damn.
the rubber hose that may or may not be fucked up from me dropping it.
We can fix it.
We got the hose that goes from the engine to that. Yep. We got these.
Nice.
Yep. Essentially all the hardware is in there. We'll leave that in there for now. This and the charge pipe are the main part, and then obviously the funnel, which is
this is what really matters, you guys.
maybe. Yeah, there we go. See that bad boy?
Chow.
Why is it yellow?
Dude, that's kind of dope, actually. That's kind of dope. Can you get that off?
Oh, it's filmed.
There it is.
Okay, I got real worried for a second there.
It wasn't looking that dope.
No, it really wasn't looking all that dope for a minute there. Good thing we figured that out. Alright, so basically now we're going to start getting the tools ready for the installation. So we'll catch you guys in a minute.
It didn't come with one. I can't do nothing. I need the instructions.
Okay. It's the exact same as your car, alright? Essentially.
I'll take out the earbuds.
See that? That comes right on. Take that off. Got that? Probably broken.
Wait,
That's hot as fuck.
I know, we haven't taken that.
What?
That needs to come
Yeah,
out.
that needs to come out. It's the same as yours. Just recording. Yep. I don't remember how.
Oh.
You're gonna pull over.
I'm just
Yours is from 2010. 2 years newer.
Did I get these out?
What? Yeah. 10 mil sockets right here. That's not a 10.
What is it?
Like 7/13 or something. That'll fit. Make it fit. You got it. That's alright. Maybe. This bad boy on.
So you're telling me
What? Yeah, but it's won't fit. Alright, and we're gonna take a pause.
it's still recording. What? I wonder what that looked.
At the garage.
Alright guys, we're back. Sorry about that little intermission.
I fucked that O2 up. Those are like $60.
Look, I pulled this out, look.
I know, so did I.
Look it up.
I can't, I'm recording.
Why didn't you just unscrew that and then just keep it plugged in?
No, I didn't have it. Go grab a Phillips smaller for that.
Tiny ass Phillips?
Yeah. Also a little bolt down there, guys. You need a 5/16 to be able to take off. And just like that. Maybe. As easy. This pie, it should come right out.
I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
Invincible.
Watch this be the one time that cop's sitting there.
Alright guys, he's about to hit a pool for the first time with his new air intake. We gotta wait for these cars to go first. Here we go. Nice. How do you like it? Nice.
Pretty fucking cool.
You're just a noob. Oh,
that sounded better.
Alright.
It sounds fucking good. It sounds